Today we're making this decadent treat, Apple Loukamades. To get started on making our Apple Loukamades, you're gonna click on this link here to see my Loukoumade recipe. So we've already made that dough for you today, and we have chopped up, really finely chopped up, 3 apples. So I'm gonna just fold them in to our dough. And so my kids love, at fall, they love apple donuts, anything apple really, but they love to buy, if you live in the area, they love to buy the apple donuts from Stu Leonard's. So I told them that I would make them their own apple donuts. And I'm gonna make these for them today. Now that we folded in our apples, we're gonna go to the stove and fry them up. So I have 4 cups of vegetable oil heating up here, and it is ready for us to make our Loukoumades. So I'm gonna take the dough here, and we're gonna drop them right in to our hot oil. So we're gonna let those cook. We need to get a nice golden brown color. So you can see the first ones that I put in here. I'm gonna use the slotted spoon and just give them a little flip. Look at that beautiful coloring. And they smell so good. Nice golden brown color. I'll let these dry on a paper towel lined dish so we can fry up the rest of them. We've fried up our Apple Loukamades. I'm gonna transfer them into this bowl right here so I can serve them up. And you can add lots of different toppings. I'm just gonna do honey and cinnamon today. Delicious. And this is a great fall treat. Some cinnamon. And these are ready. I'm gonna bring my taste tester in, Nicholas, to taste this since he loves apples. And of course, Loukoumades. You wanna try? Okay. Be careful, it's hot. Too hot? It's good. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram.